Hello my very own beautiful people. Today we are tying this head wrap, and the first thing we're going to do is go for the division of the head wrap to be 30/70. This is an aso-oke material and it's a very hard one at that, but we're going to use it today to create this style. So you're going to make some pleats, which I have already made, and I place it on my head, get it well aligned, then go to the back, pull the short one up, that is short up, and the longer one down. Now the next thing you're going to be working with is the longer part, which you're going to make the pleat all through. Just pick it down all through. When you want to tie this head wrap and you're worried about the how to make the pleats, I will advise you make the pleats the way I just showed you. Once you pick one order, with others will follow. So pick it straight up down like that, place it on your head and begin to adjust it. Use your hand to trace it down to the level where you want it to be. So it's as simple as that. You're going to see the outcome of the pleats now on my head. That is a very simple way to make your pleats. So can you see the pleat is coming out gradually? So once I'm done with the pleat, the next thing I'll be doing now is get to this side and secure it down with office pin. I'll take my time to secure properly because this material is hard and I don't think one pin will be enough, so I use like 3 pins to secure that particular place. So take note, if you are using hard material, take your time to secure that plate very well. Now the excess, I'll raise it up like this and press it down at the middle, at the center, to divide it, and it's going to look like this. Grab your elastic band to replace your hand. So use your elastic band to replace your hand and let it fall at the middle of the division. Okay, so guys, thanks for always watching. You can see what we have here now. If you don't have up to this length of material, you can also try it out. So the shorter part, I'm going to twist it all through. Then the next thing I'll be doing is be placing it at the back like this. Yes, and I'll be picking office pin, using like 2-3 office pin to secure down. Why am I using that much office pin? Is because this material is hard. When we say hard, this is hard material. Okay, so I'm here securing down. Make sure you adjust the back, secure it very well, then come back to the front. Okay, and we try to adjust to make the beauty of the head wrap come out. So you're going to place it up like this. Arrange all the arrangeables. Yes, if there is anything like that, make sure you arrange properly. Okay, just take your time. You can do this. So you need to come in here and secure it with that pleat up there. Okay, use your hand to arrange very well, and you come to this side to secure it down. Okay, you're going to have something like this, or you can fold these edges showing, you can fold them in later, but this is the first style. You can leave it like this and you're good to go. So the second one, I fold the edges down and I added my brooch at the center and I'm good to go. If you have watched to this length, I believe you like what you see and you have gained 1 or 2 ways to tie your head wrap in today's tutorial. If so, why don't you share, like, and do follow for more. I'll see you soon. Bye.